Imagine for a moment that you could actually increase your testosterone level. Wouldn't you like that? Of course you would. Well, the good news is that you can increase your testosterone level at home by simply eating certain foods. In this video, we'll be sharing with you how to make your own homemade Viagra. Ready to find out how? Let's dive right in. Number 8. Fatty fish and fish oil. A study published in 2020 found that taking fish oil with omega-3 fatty acids boosted testosterone levels in men with obesity, but not in women. The researchers discovered that DHA, a type of fatty acid found in fish, was particularly helpful. Number 7. Milk and dairy products. Research has shown that consuming milk and other dairy products protects against low testosterone levels. A 2021 study conducted on middle-aged and elderly men in Taiwan reached a similar conclusion. Fortified milk is also a key source of vitamin D, which is essential for testosterone production. Ensuring your vitamin D levels are within normal limits, whether through food, sunlight, or supplementation, is vital for overall hormone health. More research is needed to establish robust conclusions regarding how dairy products affect testosterone production. Number 6. Legumes. Eating legumes, a family that includes beans, peas, and peanuts, can protect against low testosterone levels and poor testicular function. These foods are rich in zinc and magnesium, two nutrients associated with higher testosterone levels. Number 5. Dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens are nutrient-dense, high in fiber, and packed with micronutrients that promote overall health. Some evidence suggests that men who consume more dark leafy greens exhibit higher testosterone levels. Number 4. Honey. Natural medicine often highlights honey for its many benefits, from soothing a sore throat to its antibacterial properties. However, more human research is needed to confirm its effects on testosterone. Research indicates that honey may increase testosterone levels in men by enhancing the viability of Leydig cells, increasing the production of luteinizing hormone, inhibiting aromatase activity in the testes, reducing oxidative damage in Leydig cells. Number 3. Eggs. Whole eggs contain cholesterol, which is essential for testosterone production. A 2020 study followed young men on a 12-week weight training program and found that those who ate eggs daily increased their testosterone levels. Participants were divided into two groups. One consumed 3 whole eggs daily, while the other consumed 6 egg whites. The group that ate whole eggs experienced a greater increase in testosterone. Number 2. Foods with flavonoids. Consuming high levels of flavonoids is beneficial for overall health and testosterone production. Flavonoids are compounds found in many fruits and vegetables, and research suggests they can help prevent or delay hypogonadism, that's decreased function activity of the gonads in aging males. Foods high in flavonoids include broccoli, kale, hot peppers, onions, rutabagas, spinach, and oysters. Oysters are particularly rich in zinc, an essential mineral for testosterone production. While ensuring adequate zinc intake is important, excessive zinc will not further increase testosterone levels. Number 1. Some herbs. Countless herbs claim to boost testosterone, though many lack robust evidence. A 2021 review found that some herbs show promise, but further research is needed. These herbs include ashwagandha, root and leaf extract. A 2019 study reported that an extract of ashwagandha root increased testosterone levels by 18% in 57 overweight males after 8 weeks. Ginseng. A 2016 study found that 72 overweight males who took a daily extract of red ginseng root experienced nearly a 6% increase in testosterone after 4 weeks, while the placebo group saw no change. Fenugreek seed extract. A 2018 study reported that an extract of fenugreek increased testosterone levels by 22% in healthy young males after 12 weeks, with a matched placebo group experiencing no change. Another review of 4 clinical trials concluded that fenugreek extract significantly raised testosterone levels in males. Forskolli root extract. A study involving 30 overweight young males reported that a daily extract of Forskolli root increased testosterone levels by nearly 13% after 12 weeks. And there you have it, a list of ways you can increase your testosterone levels by simply eating certain foods. If you have low testosterone or want to boost it, incorporate the foods mentioned on this video and let the magic work. Did you learn anything new from this video? Let us know in the comment section below. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.